Hey friends, if you wish to fix the application not found error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Does this help? If yes, then we can proceed to the next solution, which is to check for malware. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar, open the MRT tool or the malware removal tool. It needs a few seconds. Now click on next, select full scan, click on next, let it run through. The next solution is to restart the computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. And the last solution is to reinstall the problematic app. Let's say that the problematic app is ShareX, uninstall it once again. Now you won't find its traces on the system, so search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store, you can search for ShareX here. You can go to this app here and click on install to reinstall it on your system from the right source. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.